In this video, we will learn about how to construct achievement test. Here I have selected the subject mathematics of class 8. Now content analysis. Unit angles. Subunit. Complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, vertically opposite angles. Expected objectives in behavioral terms. Following revised Bloom taxonomy of educational objectives. Remembering, the pupil will be able to recall the definition of complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair, vertically opposite angles, etc. The pupil will be able to recognize the different types of angles from a given set of angles. The pupil will be able to recall the properties adjacent angles, linear pair, vertically opposite angles. Understanding. The pupil will develop understanding and explains the concept of complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair, vertically opposite angles, etc. They will be able to identify the pair of complementary angles and supplementary angles. They will be able to compare between different angles. Applying. The pupil will be able to apply his knowledge and understanding of the concept and formula to new and unfamiliar situations to solve various different problems. Analyzing. If two lines intersect and any one angle is given, then the pupil will be able to analyze to derive the formula to find other angles using the concept of vertically opposite angles. Evaluating. The pupil will be able to evaluate the correct complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair, vertically opposite angles, etc. from a given set of angles. Creating. The pupil will be able to draw and prepare chart, model, posters and presentation on complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair, vertically opposite angles, etc. The table showing number distribution based on subunits. The total 25 marks is distributed in such a way that 10 marks, that is 40% mark, is allotted for complementary angle, 5 marks, that is 20% mark, is allotted for supplementary angle, 8 marks, that is 32% mark, is allotted for adjacent angles, and 2 marks, that is 8% mark, is allotted for vertically opposite angles. The table showing number distribution based on objectives in behavioral terms. This table showing number distribution based on nature of questions. Here I have given 4 marks, that is 16% mark on objective type question, 6 mark, that is 24% mark on very short answer type question, 6 marks, that is 24% mark on short answer type question, and 9 marks, that is 36% mark on essay type questions. This table showing distribution of difficulty level of questions. Here I have given 10 marks, that is 40% marks on easy questions, 8 marks, that is 32% marks on average questions, and 7 marks, that is 28% marks on difficult questions. This is the blueprint of the achievement test. Here O for objective type, VSA for very short answer type, SA for short answer type, and E for essay type. The number outside the bracket indicates the number of questions and the number inside the bracket indicates the marks allotted. This is a 3-dimensional chart showing the weightage given to objectives, content and form of question in terms of marks. This is also called table of specifications. This will help to improve the content validity of the test and also gives greater assurance that the test will measure learning outcomes and course content in a balanced manner. Test construction. Instructions. Answer all the questions. The number in the right side represent marks. The first question is on remembering. Here I have given 3 multiple choice questions in question number 1. The second question is true-false type question. Third question is fill in the blanks. Question number 4 and 5 is short answer type question. Question number 6 and 7 is on analyzing and question number 8 is on evaluating. Question number 9 and 10 is on creating. This is the distribution of the approx time required to solve each item. The table showing the distribution of 45 minutes in details. Now it's time to prepare scoring key or answer key for objective type question and marking scheme for very short answer type and essay type questions. The guidelines for marking scheme of solution to each point or each step is necessary as it helps the teacher to check the answer sheet. Here the pupil will get full marks if they answer it correctly. In question number 10, pupil will get part marking, one for drawing given angles using protractor, one for drawing adjacent angles using compass, one for naming the angles. Now try this. Prepare an achievement test following the necessary guidelines in your own subject.